The bird flying tootharoo. The bird flying tootharoo is very carnivorous. It eats other birds. The bird fly tootharoo wings are very strong, so it can take it up to an airplane height. Remember, they live in the sky. If you see one of them in the sky, evacuate because they could have a group of them, like 1 billion, and they can attack you. Please, never go to the sky without safety. Remember, don't bring bread.